The moment there is that focal point suddenly materializing, that center suddenly materializing and attempting to react to this arising, you recognize, oh, this is fake, this is a lie, this is a lie. Again, taking that step beyond and recognizing the arising automatically is happening of the reaction, but I am not reacting. I am not there only. That clarity, that distancing, being at the periphery, holding on to the now instead of holding on to the arisings of the now. That will free you from this rotation, this wheel that we are talking about. Yeah? This rebirth will not happen. Otherwise, rebirth is happening again and again and again. Yeah? No I. That is the key. Absence of the I. That is the key. So, now she gave an example that there was the pleasant arisings and there were the unpleasant arisings. There will be even the person arising coming up, which will be recognized from the periphery. That is the most essential. Do I recognize that? This person arising says I. That is when the revelation comes. The moment there is the I arising and I am at the periphery, then I recognize this I arising, this person arising is fake. Who recognized that the person arising is fake? That means you were at the periphery, no? If you don't see it as fake, if you become that, yeah, then you're not at the periphery. Now you're at the center. Yeah, this recognition is very important. It has to be in your daily routine with your family member, with your social circle, with your colleague, your boss. When it happens there, that's where the true test is. Yeah. Am I at the periphery? Right now, you're very easily at the periphery. Very easily. Yeah, because this is the same Advaita session talking about the same thing, what needs to be done. This is not the true test. True test is there when you walk out of that room and interact with the family member. Are you at the periphery or do you become the center? That's when you recognize, oh, the person arising, the I arising is also not me. The I is not me. This needs to be held on to the whole day. Yes, and then again allow it to sleep into your dream in the night, allow it to seep into the deep sleep in the night, and then see it come back in the waking the next day. So this needs to be held on, yeah, through the waking, into the dream, into the deep sleep, back to the waking, back to the dream, then to the deep sleep. And that's how it needs to continue. Yes, so this wheel of recognition is erasing your old wheel of rotation of personhood. It is undoing it, no? Anti-clockwise. That was clockwise. Yeah. This is undoing the personhood that keeps coming up, arising again and again and again and again. Yeah. So erase it. Erase it. And the only way to erase it is simply by being at the periphery, observing that the I that has arisen is not me. It's not me. Recognizing the field of observation devoid of an observer.